The bail plea of Shah Rukh Pathan, accused in the communal violence case in Jafrabad, northeast Delhi, has been rejected. Delhi High Court has refused to give bail to accused Shah Rukh Pathan. The Delhi High Court denied relief in the bail plea filed by Delhi riots accused Shah Rukh Pathan. The single bench of Justice Suresh Kumar Kayat, however, allowed the petitioners to withdraw his bail application and did not pass any order on the merits of his bail plea. Appearing for Pathan, Asghar Khan submitted that the accused had no criminal antecedents and the challan had already been filed and there's no evidence of anyone getting injured by the alleged acts of the accused. Khan further submitted that there has been an inordinate delay in the filing of the FIR. While seeking bail on humanitarian grounds, Khan submitted that the parents of the accused are bedridden due to the ill health and there's no one who can take care of them. While arguing this, Khan also pointed out yesterday's order where another Delhi riots accused, Safora Zargar, was granted bail on humanitarian grounds. In addition to this, Khan also pointed out that there are discrepancies in the statement given by the concerned police officer Deepak Dahiya. Khan further went on to argue that the accused was provoked to participate in the agitation and he has not participated in any other incident concerning the riots. Countering these arguments, the state submitted that the CCTV footage submitted on record clearly shows the accused brandishing the guns at the police officer. The state further submitted that the weapon used for the crime belonged to the accused and the same have been recovered from the car, which the accused used for fleeing from the scene of occurrence. Along with Mojpur Chowk riots, the charge sheets filed by the crime branch of Delhi police had also named Shah Rukh Pathan as the main accused in another case in which he had allegedly brandished his gun and shot at the HC Deepak Dahiya in full public view. Shah Rukh Pathan has been charged with Under Arms Act and Section 3 and 4 of the PDPP Act. Bureau Report.